So when you get to this screen, choose this. Then it's going to want you to do a sign in. You don't have to. You can go here and choose domain join instead. Who's going to use this? And we'll do that one more time. Okay, I skipped over the security questions and my own password. Here we go. Get rid of all this garbage. Some of the more direct ways you get tracked. And now it's going to do this check for updates. Basically what I did is I told it it's going to be part of a domain. So I set up a administrator account on this without any Microsoft account or Microsoft login or any of that crap that they want you to do. And this is Windows 11. Hi. So that's it. It will deliver me to a regular administrator desktop on Windows 11 without any Microsoft account connected to what I'm doing. Whether I join a domain later or not. Adios.